Artificial intelligence refers to ability of machines or computer systems to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. These tasks include learning from experience, reasoning through problems, recognizing patterns, understanding language, and making decisions. In simple terms, AI allows machine to think and act intelligently instead of just following fixed instructions. A system can adapt and improve over time based on data they receive. AI is a major field within computer science focused on creating systems that can understand their environment and take actions to achieve specific goals. For example, when a computer recognizes your face or understands your voice commands, that is an AI action. A very exciting development in recent years is generative AI. Since 2020s, AI systems have become capable of creating entirely new content such as images, music, videos, and even human-like text simply from a text prompt. So this has opened up new responsibility in creativity, design, and automation. So these also created more and more jobs. At its core, AI revolves around five key abilities: learning from data, reasoning and problem solving, perception of surroundings, decision making, and continuous improvement. AI is no longer just a concept from science fiction, it's already shaping the world around us in powerful ways. Now, let's look how AI is already part of our everyday lives, often without us even realizing it. One of the most common example is navigation apps. When you use apps like Google Maps, AI analyzes real-time traffic data and suggests the fastest route, even rerouting you automatically to avoid congestion. Another important application is fraud detection. Banks and financial systems use AI to monitor the transactions and instantly detect usual activities. If a suspicious transaction occurs, the system can flag it or block to protect your money. AI is also widely used in customer support. Chatbots are available 24 by 7 to answer your questions, resolve issues, and guide users without human interventions. This improves efficiency and it also reduces wastage of time. You also experience AI through recommendation systems. Platforms like Amazon, Netflix, YouTube, and online shopping platforms suggest movies, videos, and their products based on your preferences and past behavior. Finally, virtual assistants like voice-based systems understands natural language and respond intelligently or answer your questions and also control the smart devices using just your voice. All these examples shows that AI is deeply integrated into your daily routines, making life more convenient, efficient, and personalized. Artificial intelligence is not just useful, it is transformative, it is driving innovation across multiple sectors and solving some of the world's most complex challenges. In healthcare, AI is revolutionizing how diseases are diagnosed and treated. It helps doctors analyze medical data and to make detect the disease faster and at early stages, and even assist in drug discovery. Personalized medicine tailored in individual patients is become possible because of artificial intelligence. In the business world, AI is improving efficiency and decision making. Companies using AI to optimize supply chains and predict market trends, automating the repetitive tasks and enhance the customer experience. AI is also playing a crucial role in addressing the global challenges. For example, it is used in climate modeling to predict environmental changes, improve agricultural productivity for food security, and support scientific research. Overall, AI acts as a powerful engine of all these innovations. It enables us to solve the problems that were once considered very too complex or time consuming. A real world example, one of the real world example is AI based optical character recognition. So these AI powered OCR systems can convert scanned documents or images into structured digital data. So this helps organization extract valuable insights quickly and efficiently. AI is not just improving system, it is redefining what is possible. AI systems rely heavily on the data. So large volumes of data are collected and used to train AI models. This data acts as the foundation for learning. Next comes the pattern recognition. AI algorithms analyze the data to identify the patterns, relationship, and trends. For example, by analyzing thousands of images, an AI system can learn to recognize the objects like cars, birds, faces, or any animals. Then comes intelligent output. So based on these patterns, it has learned the AI systems can make predictions, decisions, or recommendations. A simple way to understand this is instead of programming a computer with the millions of rules, we train it by showing millions of examples. Over time, it learns what to do in different situations. There are three components involved. One is data, another one is computer power, and another one is algorithm. The more data and computational power available, the more accurate and efficient the AI system becomes. The ability to learn and adapt is what makes AI so powerful and different from traditional programming. As we look ahead, it is clear that AI is shaping the future in profound ways. AI is no longer just futuristic idea, it is already a fundamental part of our present. From search engines to autonomous vehicles and creative tools, AI is transforming industries and everyday experiences. One most aspect of AI is that it is designed to augment human capabilities, not replace them. AI system can handle repetitive and complex tasks, allowing humans to focus on creativity, critical thinking, and innovation. By 2026, data centers are no longer small server rooms hidden in buildings. They have transformed into massive gigawatt scale campuses, consuming as much as power in like small countries. Projects like advanced AI training facilities demand enormous computational power, which translates directly into huge energy requirements. So these shift highlights an important reality. The cloud is no longer abstract. It is physical, built from metal, silicon, and copper, supported by vast electrical and mechanical systems. As AI adopts growing, the demand for skilled professions who can design, operate, and maintain these facilities is increasing. These are not just IT jobs anymore. They are multidisciplinary engineering roles at a massive scale. The transformation is redefining the future of work, creating new opportunities while also presenting significant challenges in infrastructure, energy, and workforce development. First, power system engineers play a key role in designing complex electrical grids called as smart grids. They integrate renewable energy sources and manage microgrids, smart grids to ensure reliable and efficient power supply. Next, mechanical engineers are responsible for advanced infrastructure design with AI servers generating intense heat. Innovations like liquid cooling and advanced thermal management systems are crucial to maintain performance and efficiency. Critical facility engineers ensures continuous operation of these data centers. They manage essential systems such as chillers, uninterruptible power supplies, and switchgear. So each rack can consume between 50 to 100 kilowatts, making reliability absolutely critical. Finally, commissioning agents, also known as C by a professional, certifies that these facilities operate without any failure. They rigorously test backup systems and ensure failure mechanisms work perfectly, preventing cost downtime. Together, these roles form the backbone of the AS infrastructure revolution. As the demand for AI infrastructure goes, so does the competition for skilled talent. This has led to what can be described as a talent war. So, data centers and power companies are now competing for the same pool of engineers and technical experts. Mechanical engineers, electrical engineers, and computer specialists are in extremely high demand across both industries. To address these issues, organizations are exploring innovative solutions. For example, hybrid microgrids, battery storage systems, and flexible grid connections are being developed to optimize energy usage and reduce dependency on the traditional infrastructure. This evolving relationship between industries and highlighting the importance of collaborations in overcoming workforce and infrastructure challenges. Finally, in conclusion, the future workforce in the AI era will be defined by three key elements. One is immense power. Engineers and professionals will need to manage high complex systems like smart grids. Their responsibility and technical demands will be greater than ever before. Second is hybrid expertise. The next generation of professional must combine traditional engineering knowledge with AI specific skills. This fusion of discipline will define the most valuable talent in the industry. Third is strategic collaborations. Power companies, data center operators, and technology firms must work together to address workforce shortages and meet growing demand. As we move forward, one thing is clear: the future of work is deeply connected to the growth of AI infrastructure, and those who adopt will lead the transformation. Thank you for the opportunity.